Hello dear student. In this short video I'm going to explain how to access lectures from the website. So first go to the www.acadflix.com. This is our website. Then click on login button, and once you click the login button, a pop-up will appear, and in this you need to click continue with Google. Okay, so once you click on continue with Google, it will take you to the Gmail page. From that you need to select your account from which you have logged in onto the Acadflix website. Okay, so then you will be logged in. Then click on my dashboard. So once you click on dashboard button, you will see all your active courses, all the courses in which you are enrolled, right? So let's say you are enrolled in HP Assistant Professor course. Then click on this package, HP Assistant Professor. So once you click this package, you will see many folders. So these are the subject wise folders. So whichever subject you want to watch, you can click on that particular subject. Let's say you want to see C programming lectures. So click on C programming PYQ and MCQs folder. Once you click this folder, you will see all the lectures of this folder, right? So in the sidebar, you can expand, or you can simply click on any lecture to watch, right? So with every recording you will see PDF also. Okay, so like this you will see the PDF of the lecture, whatever we have taught in the lecture. So these will be your notes which you can download. So if you want to download these notes, so you can click on this download button. So you see this is a download button here. You can click on this to download this PDF. Okay, the videos you cannot download, you can watch them on the web platform only. You can increase the speed or quality of the video, right? And if you want to attempt the test, then you will see a folder called as test series in your package, right? Inside your package you will see a folder test series 2024. You can click on this course, and inside this you will find the topic wise test, topic wise and subject wise. For example, you want to do C programming test, then you can click on quiz 1 and you can start quiz. Okay, or you can watch the solutions, and like this you will find the PDF also of the quizzes. So if you want to attempt data structure quizzes, you can click on data structure, and you will see all the quizzes of data structure. So these are topic wise quizzes of data structure. Okay, so like this for every subject you will find topic wise quizzes and subject wise quiz. And if you want to attempt full length papers, so you can click on anti-net previous year papers, and once you click on this, you will see mock test for anti-net paper 2. So in this you have JKPSC assistant professor subjects. So you have a paper for JKPSC, you have the papers for HPSC lecturer, and NTNet 2024 to all the papers till 2004, right? So you can attempt previous year papers from this folder. So all the questions you will find here. So you can click on start quiz if you want to solve NTNet previous year papers live, right?